Hi everyone, I'm Beatrice Diano, I am an archaeologist and I work for Valore Italia, dealing with our cultural projects in Italy and abroad. It's a real honor to be here today, and we are so excited to bring our experience in this international symposium. What you can see behind me are our spaces 4,000 square meters in mind, the Milan Innovation District, the district of science, knowledge and innovation, based in the 2015 Expo area, an urban innovation district unique in Europe for both model and sites, based on sustainability, space-inspired wellness, and integration between nature and functionality. However, let me start by introducing something about who we are. Valore Italia is an international university and research center for the study of restoration and for the enhancement of cultural heritage. Founded in 2019, with the contribution of the ENAIP Lombardia Foundation and Humana Forma. ENAIP Lombardia is a training institution founded in 1951, dedicated to civil and professional development, as well as the promotion of equal opportunities in the professional and social realm. The other founder, Humana Forma, is one of the main national players in training and has an accredited body for continuous and promotes innovation and experimentation projects in order to adapt its training proposals to constantly evolving needs and provide updated content. Valore Italia supports and develops methodological approaches, projects and activities oriented towards the study of new materials and technologies for scientific investigation, as well as innovative and sustainable intervention techniques, preventive conservation and planned maintenance of cultural heritage, in order to reduce deterioration risks as well as limiting excessive outlays. Study and implementation of innovative technologies connected to digital manufacturing, modeling, and three-dimensional representation. Preservation and restoration of contemporary artworks and design objects. The achievement of these goals is closely connected with the center's ability to work side by side with a network of other cultural institutions, museums, ecclesiastical organizations, heritage owners, companies in the field, and both public and private and operators, in cooperation with the Botticino School of Restoration, belonging to Valore Italia since 2022. The Botticino School is one of the flagship projects of Valore Italia. It was the first educational institute entirely dedicated to restoration in Italy. The school was founded in 1974 in Botticino with the support of the Lombardy Region and the Central Institute of Restoration of Rome, in order to carry out higher education and continuing training courses in the field of enhancement, conservation and restoration of cultural heritage. The school has trained numerous professionals in the sector, generating significant results in terms of employment level and professional success. The academic approach is based on the idea of learning by doing, overcoming the gap between theory and practice. This has allowed our students to contribute with the teachers to the restoration of over 1,000 protected assets, such as wooden tables, murals, sculptures, paper and parchment artifacts, tapestries and fabrics, furniture and buildings, both in Italy and abroad, using cutting-edge technologies such as the anoxy chamber that you can see on my back. The school issues a professional title equivalent to a master's degree and lasts 5 years. Over 50% of the activities take place in laboratories and restoration sites, working on restricted cultural assets. The school, together with Valore Italia, as mentioned above, works to develop projects in the field of conservation and maintenance of cultural heritage. Innovation and new technologies have opened up new perspectives also in the field of cultural heritage. In collaboration with experts, we are starting to use the most advanced technologies for monitoring the state of conservation of works of art. We are also working on the creation of the Research and Experimentation Center, which can become a place for processing and defining methods and tools in the service of preventive conservation of cultural heritage. One of the applications that we are already starting to use is the creation of three-dimensional scans of the works, capable of returning their detailed and precise fingerprint that allows us to monitor any deterioration and to intervene promptly before real damage occurs. Technologies not only provide concrete support, but also economic advantages, as by preventing and systematizing preventive restoration interventions, the possibility of having to resort to important and expensive restoration intervention is delayed. So, our university is a place that encourages the latest methods and approaches to restoration and preservation, as well as a dynamic, interdisciplinary hub for innovative and cutting-edge research. Since we believe in the strength of new technologies and in the opportunities they provide, we also believed in the advantage that these can bring to the educational field. For this reason, in collaboration with Wind3, Cisco, and Schneider Electric, in one of our spaces we have created a classroom of the future, called the Piscopia Corner Augmented Education Lab Project, named after the first women to be awarded a degree in history. This classroom proposes a new idea of an educational space that exploits connectivity, artificial intelligence, and widespread sensors to make classrooms more sustainable, inclusive, and safe for students and teachers. Wind3 powers active solutions in the classroom through its connectivity services from 5G to the cloud. Schneider Electric systems allow you to improve the learning environment with lighting, ventilation, air quality, and noise control, regulated by sensors and artificial intelligence, optimizing energy consumption. On the other hand, thanks to Cisco's collaboration technologies, we realize another fundamental value: inclusiveness. These students are able to benefit from the real-time transcription of what is said in the classroom, and foreign students can benefit from simultaneous translations of lectures. The 4,000 square meter space also hosts CIMA, Campus ITS Mind Academy, the most important ITS campus in Italy, which units 4 Lombardy ITS. ITS are higher technical institutes, which provide non-university level of education. The 4 foundations are ITS Sustainable Mobility, which provide transport and logistics courses, ITS Angelo Rizzoli for Information and Communication Technologies, which provides courses of specialization in the sector of the graphic and of the communication, ITS Lombardo for New Mechanical and Mechatronic Technologies, ITS Tech Talent Factory Foundation, which provides courses to develop specialist skills in technology. We decided to lead CIMA because we believe in its ability to train people in line with the professions of the future. In addition, we believe there is a synergy between them and the School of Restoration, as CIMA will lead the way in generating new digital technologies that will be used in the field of restoration and of cultural heritage.